Notice and demand to clarify character of court's jurisdiction, legal basis and procedural rights. Understanding court jurisdiction. Jurisdiction refers to a court's legal authority to hear and decide a case. Failure to establish proper jurisdiction can render all rulings null and void. Courts operate under different types of jurisdiction, and it is a litigant's right to demand clarification before proceeding. Key types of jurisdiction. 1. Subject matter jurisdiction, authority over the legal issues in dispute. 2. Personal jurisdiction, power over the parties involved in the case. 3. Territorial jurisdiction, geographic scope within which the court can rule. 4. Admiralty/maritime jurisdiction, special jurisdiction over maritime or commercial law. 5. Contractual/quasi-jurisdiction, jurisdiction established via implied consent or contractual agreements. Example application. An individual appears in court for a civil matter but suspects the court is operating under admiralty jurisdiction, affecting procedural rules. They file a notice and demand to clarify the character of the court's jurisdiction before recognizing the court's authority. Why demand jurisdictional clarification? A notice and demand to clarify jurisdiction serve several legal purposes. Ensures the court has lawful authority over the matter. Prevents unlawful assumptions of jurisdiction over the individual. Establishes whether the case is being tried under constitutional law, commercial law, or administrative proceedings. Helps preserve objections to improper jurisdiction for future legal challenges. Key legal considerations. Courts must disclose their jurisdiction when properly challenged. If jurisdiction is not clarified, due process violations may arise. Consent to jurisdiction is often implied by failure to challenge it in the early stages of proceedings. Example demand statement. I, your name, formally demand clarification regarding the nature and character of this court's jurisdiction. I require a written statement confirming whether this court operates under common law, statutory jurisdiction, admiralty jurisdiction, or any other legal authority. Failure to provide such clarification constitutes a due process violation and a presumption of lack of jurisdiction. Legal and practical implications. Strengthens legal defense by ensuring court authority is properly established. Prevents wrongful jurisdictional assumptions that may impose unfair rulings. Preserves rights for appeal based on jurisdictional errors. Conclusion. A notice and demand to clarify the character of the court's jurisdiction is a critical procedural safeguard ensuring that individuals do not unknowingly submit to an improper legal authority. By demanding jurisdictional clarification, litigants assert their rights, prevent judicial overreach, and protect due process guarantees.